फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. ठीक. We are going to solve from question number 36. Okay. See the question number 36. Everyone. Okay. Question number 36. Only we are going to solve our entry for the far feature, and if reissue is given, then reissue. Okay. Other entry we are not going to hear. Only far feature entry. Okay. Then. Please. Wait. Application, allotment, first call and second call. 200 share only pay 25. Beta? Okay, next. 300 share 25 and allotment. Others not pay. Okay, beta? It's a simple table. Okay, next.
400 shares of 100 each at 8.25 per share on application, 30 on allotment and 20 first.
It means 25 is a second clause.
Second one is
Not given, but 25 is there, beta. Total amount is 100. Total amount 100. Okay, beta. 25, 30, 20. Then these three is given in the question. It's the balancing. Now we are going to forfeit this all.
they failed to pay their arrears and the final call. Their share was forfeited and reached to 95%.
Okay, first we are going to forfeit it. How many share we are going to forfeit? All?
Or
No.
total
Total है बेटा. Failed to pay their arrear and
final
final cost. Means all. Allotment, first call and second call. He is not paying these three amounts. 300, two amounts. 400, one amount. This thing is clear or not? Okay, beta? Now we are going to do the forfeitation. Then share capital account, debit to share, for feature to share, and then to share, and everyone remember what amount we have entered here or not? Called up money, received money, and these all not received money. Okay? Then called up money beta 200 plus 300 plus 400 into 100. Clear? 300, 400 and 200 into 100 because the rate is what? 100 rupees beta. Okay, next. In allotment, what amount we are not receiving beta? In allotment 200 into 30 only. Then 200 into 30. Okay. In first call 300 into 20 and 200 into 20. These two na beta. Okay. Next, second call, all three. 300 into 25, 200 into 25, and 400 into 25. Up to this is clear? What amount we are not receiving? Then what amount we are receiving? 225 only, na? It means 225 plus 300, these two means 300 into 55 and plus 400 into beta 7. Just check all is coming equal or not. Check it fast. This amount 90,000. Beta, this amount 6,000. 10,000. 22,500. Okay, and this amount Tell me this amount fast. This others to solve. This only. Here 5,000. This 16,500. So 16,500 and 5,000. 21,500. 21,500 into 30,000. It's a 30,000. 30,000. Total amount is 30 and 21,500. It means 50, 51. Both sides come equal or not? Tell me fast. Equal? Then go for the issue. Up to this is clear or not? On this you get formula. No? Then bank account to save at a capital. All the same ratio beta. All the same ratio but 95% beta. All the same 900 into 100. But here 900 into 95. 5 rupees. From where we are taking beta? This share for future. Okay? Clear? After this one more entry is there. And entry is beta. Share for future account debit to capital reserve. And now going to calculate that amount. 900 into 5. And this full amount is 51,500. 51,500 less 4,500. Coming? Answer came or not? These questions came in business, your paper is sure and certain 3 to 4 marks. Up to this one. Okay? Done? Okay, go for the next. Done or not? On your copy. Do it fast, beta. It's the one, na? And first unity also. Okay. Try to go with me. Okay? Because I'm going fast. Because it's a video. Okay. Next question, beta. And 3, 2. First call 3 and second call 3. That not total. Okay, beta? Good. For profit. Do the entry. Share capital account debit to share forfeited to share beta. First call and second call. You can write only here call signal also on the place of these two. Okay, beta? Just fill the amount. Total is 10 rupees. Very easy, beta. Only keep your mind on the board. It's very easy. 10 rupees total. 2, 3 and 3 not receiving. Then receiving what? 4 rupees. Multiply by. Finish. On this way you can solve very easily. Okay? Ratio or not? Okay, ratio. 10 is again. Okay. Then bank account debit to share capital. Only 10 rupees. So no need of. Then last rupee beta. Share forfeited to capital reserve. Then what amount you are going to transfer? What amount you are going to transfer? This 4 beta na? because we are not using any forfeited. That then answer came beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it fast. Do it fast. Done? Okay, go for the next.
B limited forfeited for 400 shares.
B limited forfeited
400 shares of rupees 10 each.
400 share 10 each.
Fully called up for non-payment of final call of 3 per share.
3.
Yes, sir. 300 of these shares were reissued as fully paid up or 8 per share.
8 rupees. Okay? Just do it. Full amount 10 rupees. We are received 7 because 3 we are. Okay, beta? Only multiply with the number of shares. Done? Easy na? Okay, then see. Reissue 300 share only. Okay, beta? Reissue 300 share only. Then share forfeiture account debit because 8 rupees, then 2 rupees, then share capital 10 rupees. That beta? Then 300. Okay? Now last entry again. This na? And how to calculate what amount will transfer? We are forfeited beta 400 share. But reissue 300 share. So for 400 we have the forfeiture amount 2800. There beta 7 into 4. Okay? So for 300 into 28 upon 4 2100. Okay? And then less this amount. What amount is there beta? 600 from here. Then what amount is remaining beta? Then 1500 transferred in capital reserve. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? How if the change is coming? If the change is coming, if number of share forfeited and number of share reissued is not same, then we are using this system for calculating of forfeited amount. Okay. Next.
C limited forfeited 700 shares of rupees 10 each. Fully called up on which the holder has paid application money rupees 3 and allotment money 2 per share.
Just opposite beta. Okay. 3 and 2.
Yes.
It means next amount is not given. Before that they are saying in question he is not able to pay first call or second call, but here they are going to say he is only pay allotment and application. It means others is not paying the beta. Then what amount is that paying? 5 rupees? Calls? Only calls is there. Then we are returned calls in error. If this type of case is coming, so sure and certain returned calls in error beta. Because here is not clear, anything is not clear. Okay, it's a first call, second call, third call is what? So only we are written what? Calls in error. Right here, 2 calls in error. 5 rupees. What amount we receiving, beta? What amount we receiving? 5 rupees. So in first picture 5 rupees. Not receiving 5 rupees. Total is the 10 rupees. And number of share. Clear? Next. Any issues there?
Out of these 300 shares were reissued as fully paid up rupees 51 per share.
300 share. Into 7, into 10 and into 3. total kind of money we are entered in the share capital 10 rupees. Okay beta, receive money 7 rupees, then forfeit money 3 rupees. Now going to calculate what amount we will transfer in capital reserve. For 700 our forfeiture amount beta, our forfeiture amount. So for 300 into what amount is coming? 1500. And what amount we are using here beta? 900. Less this amount, remaining is came. It's so easy. Okay? Clear? Some more questions or not?
Yes.
Next.
D Limited forfeit 1000 shares of rupees 10 each, fully called up, on which the holder has paid
1000 share at the rate of 10 each. Okay, then
on which the holder has paid only the application money
rupees 3. It means 3 here beta. Only pay application money, increase forfeiture में 3 only. What is required? 10. Not received 7 into how many shares we are going to issue?
out of the 600 share were issued 600
600.
at the rate of 10.5 per share.
600 share beta. 10 rupees main rate. But we are going to issue 10.5. 50 paise what? 50 paise what? Premium. To security premium 50 paise into number of share beta. Number of share 600 beta. We are saying issue 600. And what amount will transfer in the forfeiture amount beta? Capital reserve. How we are going to calculate? For 1000, what amount is there? 3000. Then for 600, 600 into 3000 upon 1000. Then 1800. No use of there. Then full 1800 transferred in capital. Anything else? Now we are able to do this question or not? Okay.